Bit of a grey day, but she's pretty clear. The hills are looking magnificent right now. If only I lived up near Mount Lofty, I'd just ride out of my back door and up through there, mate. But kind of over putting the bike on the car all the time just to go for a bike ride, so hence why I do a lot of these, just straight out the front door, mate. Yeah, it's a nice little downhill section, this one. Gives you a nice bit of aircon breeze, that's for sure. Smell the nature. See, if it was like this all the way to the city, like a nice little corridor, how good would that be? We've got a caravan park over here. Duck pond. This is the Marion wetlands. Let's go and have a look at the pond, shall we? This bit's quite nice too. I think these might be, what, ghost gums or something? Not real sure. It probably says on that sign there, but yeah, nice and tall. They've got little bird boxes up here. Very nice. Hey, we've got some rad artwork. Have a look at it. Hulk Hogan. Oh, and the lemon scented gums here. I love that smell. Have a look at that stuff, man. That's killer. So just vibrant, you know, like really nice. So we're just along the Mike Turter bikeway at the moment. Runs along the tram line here between Glenelg and the city of Adelaide. The Wolfenville Racecourse over here. Oh, no water in this creek. Alright, so let's jump back onto the single track. This time we'll go left. See where that takes us. Must be doing drifting or something. I can hear a lot of bloody revving going on. Huh, how cool is this? Nice. Whee. They must be drifting. Just a lot of revving. Whoa. Get your head under here, mate. This thing's made of sheets of glass. Crazy. So I haven't been on this little bit before. I don't know where it comes out to. But I've often seen it from the other side of the river. Alright, well, where have we ended up? On some bloody wasteland by the looks of things. Yeah, right. So this is where all the horses are supposed to be. So I don't know why there ain't any in there yet. They used to always just be along the edge and you could go up to them and pat them, and now they kind of disappeared. Wow. Pretty calm down here. No headwind. If anything, we might have a tailwind. Must be a lifesaver out there on his jet ski. House has no eaves. Looks like none of the windows open either. It's going to be a great one, isn't it? Aircon only. Why do people design houses like that these days? So reliant on the bloody air conditioning. And, I mean, it's painted black as well. Like, it's just going to soak the heat, man. Let's see if I can get through today without any pedestrians. Yes. So what do you reckon? Get a petition going to get some mountain bike tracks in this gully. That'd be killer. Nice little loop in there with a couple of downhill bits and creek crossings. Why not? Even over into here. No point just letting it sit around doing nothing. So it's not bad. Like, actually I'm back up the 2 bars here now. Battery's on red, but it's not flashing, so it's 40% or less, 67 k's. Heart rate's probably been up around 140 most of the time. It's popped up to 170 on a couple of times, but I haven't really been giving it too much. I've just been kind of using the, letting the battery do the motor do the work, letting the robots do the work, as I say. So the old Valtrex, man, I mean, it's pretty good value for 1,200 bucks. Don't get much bike for 1,200 bucks these days.